G'day! In today's video I'm replacing a battery on a Lenovo IdeaPad 3 15IIL05 or model number 81WE. The battery that I'm replacing it with should have the model number L16M2PB2. The battery may be slightly different, but I'll start by getting these screws out. If there's any screws different in length along the way, I'll let you know. So far these ones have all been the same. Go. And these four here may be different. Yes, that one is a different length. This one is too. So the ones across the front are slightly shorter. If I pull on the corner here, and I'll grab a pry tool, as this plastic is known to crack, trying to lift it open. There we go. Now I'm going to give this a dust blowout while I've got it open. Check out all the dust that's gone around the NVMe SSD over here. As we can see, we have one teeny tiny battery. I'll be back in just 1 second. Now, next up from here, I just want to simply swap the battery. Or actually, one other tip, while you've got it open, do try and tighten up these screws here and here, and here and here. There, there. Now, they tend to come loose. What we want to focus on now is the battery, just down here. I get a fingernail just on this little black bit, I should be able to pull it down towards me. It's starting to leave. There we go. Disconnected. Now we need to undo these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3. I know, just 3. One old battery from January 2020. One replacement battery from June, July, August 2024. Now to make it easy to plug this cable in, don't put the battery in first, do the connection first. Line it up, then you should be able to get your fingernail and pull it upwards towards it. That should get it into position. There we go, I'm happy with that. There's a connection there near that black flex cable, or ribbon cable, there. That's how you want it to have a look. Once you've got it on there, then I'd worry about screwing it in, and then we'll figure out where to route those cables. So as you can see, these ones are ballooned out quite heavily. Mine look nothing like that. Okay. One screw in here. Another one over here. And one here, all of those of which are the same. Those cables should be fine just there. Actually push them the other way, like that. Funnily enough, it's ended up nearly exactly the same as the original battery. Now we just need to put the back cover back on, put the screws in, and charge it up. Click. There we go. 4 small screws across the front and larger screws everywhere else. I'm going to stick this on charge and charge it up and see how we go, but being that this laptop was previously only running on charge, the battery was completely depleted, I'd say this should resolve it. Anyway, that's how to change the battery on the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 15IIL05, not 01. I'm going to continue putting these screws in, and I might as well say, see you later. Bye.